Meet Emily. She is 25, ambitious, and dreams of a comfortable life. Emily did everything right. Good grades in school? Check. College degree? Check. Secure job with benefits? Check. She followed the well-worn path laid out by society. Work hard, save diligently, and invest in the stock market. Retirement? Maybe in 40 years. Emily diligently puts a portion of each paycheck into her 401k, hoping it will magically grow into a sizable nest egg someday. She clips coupons, hunts for bargains, and avoids any unnecessary expenses. Yet, despite her best efforts, Emily feels like she's running on a treadmill. Her paycheck barely covers her living expenses, student loan payments, and the occasional weekend outing. The slow lane promises wealth eventually, but the reality is often different. Emily sees her friends enjoying life, traveling, and pursuing passions while she's stuck in the daily grind. Is this the reward for playing by the rules? Where did it all go wrong? The traditional advice of go to school, get a job, save and invest is well-intentioned but flawed. It promises financial security, but often delivers a lifetime of financial mediocrity. Why? Because it relies on factors outside your control: time and compound interest. This approach ignores the power of entrepreneurship and wealth creation. It assumes the only way to build wealth is slowly over decades, by relying on external forces like the stock market. It fails to account for the unexpected events of life, job loss, economic downturns, or unforeseen expenses. The slow lane is comfortable, familiar, and socially accepted, but it's a long and winding road, often leading to a destination far different from the one you envisioned. Now meet Alex. Like Emily, he's 25, but instead of climbing the corporate ladder, Alex chose a different path: entrepreneurship. He had a passion for technology and a knack for identifying market needs. He started an online business while still in college, building websites and developing software. Alex didn't follow the traditional script. He didn't wait for permission or seek validation from the corporate world. He saw an opportunity, took calculated risks, and built a business that provided value to others. Today, Alex's business is thriving. He employs a team of talented individuals, generates substantial income, and enjoys the freedom and flexibility that comes with being his own boss. He didn't inherit wealth or win the lottery, he created it. The fast lane isn't a magic formula or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a mindset shift, a commitment to taking control of your financial destiny. It's about building a business that provides value, solves problems, and generates income. Consider real-world examples. Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx, turned an idea for comfortable hosiery into a billion-dollar business. Mark Zuckerberg built Facebook from his dorm room, connecting millions worldwide. These entrepreneurs didn't wait for permission, they created their own opportunities. The fast lane requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards, financial freedom, control over your time, and the ability to pursue your passions, are worth the effort. It's time to shift gears, accelerate your journey, and take control of your financial future.